How about a ranch in Shasta County, 160 acres for $250,000? Photo I'm showing you is the front of the property. You can see that it needs a lot of work. There's a lot of trash around the property. The front window was recently broken out by a bear. So this is the map from Google Earth, and when you zoom out on this, you can get a sense for where this place is. There's Red Bluff, and there's our property. If you do Google Maps, it is about an hour. It's on Highway 36, and then you turn down a gravel road right beyond the Flying R Ranch, I believe it is, and you go back on this dirt road. At one point, you have to go through a creek that's flowing. So I'm going to show you the property in this video that's coming up. This is a video I shot while I was out there, just to give you a sense of what's out there and the beauty of the property. So enjoy. Thank you. This is the living room. The bears have broken into the house. You can see the paw prints on the window where it's broken. They did a good job coming in here and foraging for food. This is our kitchen. The bears have done a number on the kitchen. They got into the cupboards, foraging for food. This is the dining room. Leads to the master and flows into the living room with the wood stove. This is the upstairs master suite. This woman was a hoarder. Master closet. This is the master bath. One sink, bathtub, shower. Not sure what's here. Additional storage. And linen closet. We're standing at the top of the landing. It's the front door down there. These walls are unfinished. They have OSB that's been painted. This is the guest bathroom, shared bathroom. Toilet, shower, vanity. This is a bedroom, and full of stuff. This is the attic, access through the upper hallway. Roof line coming down, totally packed full. Well over 1,000 square feet of storage. This is the downstairs master suite. Bathroom here. Shower. Toilet, sink. Oops. Downstairs master, slider out to the back, and the closet. This is the back of the property. This is the garage. The garage is full of stuff. This building here houses batteries for the solar system. Run power to the house. This is all the land right here. We're standing in the second cabin. This was occupied at one time before the main house was built. A loft up there. These are the 2 bedrooms. Obviously the sheetrock is gone, but they're wired. Who knows? Who knows what's going on? This is a front porch add-on to this cabin. All these buckets you see are full of stored wheat. Driveway leading in, this is a garden. It's fully irrigated. Solar field. All the land you see is part of the 160-acre property. It's the front of the house.
There's a brick I was going to take over there.
Everything you see here is the property. The hills up there. There's the house. That hill over there. And this is a road that was cut in that leads up to the top of that hill. All of this is the property. You're looking at the west property line fence. It runs from the top of that ridge along to the top of that ridge over there. We're at the west end of the property, southwest corner. You can see the cabin off in the distance. Up at the top of that ridge is the northwest property line. What you're looking at here is a 25,000 gallon storage tank. The water is pumped up from the well that's down that way. The pump is electric, hooked up to the solar. The house is down that way. So we're at the top of the southwest corner of the property. We're here for sunset, a little bit high in the sky still. This is the view from the top of this property. The house is down there, to give you a reference point. On clear days you can see Shasta, it's off over in that direction. Amazing property. So this first yellow ridge you see here, property line is just on the other side of that ridge and it runs down. Property's a half mile wide?
Half mile square.
Half mile square is the property.